this gift set up. I look a
Gary
fucking
check it out. Some of y'all, I
mess.
seen some of y'all.
Oh, I can't say
try to-
fucking. Ooh,
Sometimes some of y'all was in
I'm
the comments. It's
sorry.
always funny when y'all like
But I look a
answer
mess. I
questions.
need my hair done, but I don't get my hair done until
People, that's just how they talk. They're aggressive.
July 8th. And it is currently June 4th. So, yeah. And I hate how I be like complaining about my hair, because I can complain about my motherfucking hair. Okay? I'm not eye twitching. But I can complain about my hair because like I have starter locks, so it's just like annoying. Like I can complain, but this is my second time getting dreads. Yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna do my lashes because I don't know, I just feel ugly right now. I don't know, my nails ain't done. Nail appointment tomorrow at 3. I'm gonna get my toes done in the morning. I need my toes done. My toes look, I don't even think, like this whole video would get banned. My whole channel would get banned because my toes just look, they look crazy. Let me turn the light on. Oh, I look like a boy. These are in my storefront on TikTok. My TikTok is Beats by Sky. It will be on the screen. But, where's my glue? It's gonna be like a maintenance type of vlog because I'm gonna take y'all. I did 214s, 112, 110. I feel like if you don't talk to yourself, like you're weird, because at the end of the day, all you have is yourself. So it's just like, why not talk to yourself? I don't think it's weird, but I feel like people be thinking it's like weird, and it's just like, for what? I don't really like the mink lash anymore. I don't really like those type of lashes anymore because they just, I don't know. I feel like, because I used to do those type of sets, but then I'm just like, yeah, I don't think this is for me, because my eyes are already small. For real, they already small. One lash, and we're gonna press it like such. I'm on Snapchat for real to look at JT's story and Ari Fletcher. That's it. Like, I feel like when I look at their Snapchats, I just, it's so inspiring. I don't know why. That might sound gay, but I don't care. My eye look crazy as fuck. Me not feeling pretty is a problem, because I feel like them people think they can talk to me any type of way, because I feel like people can feel that energy, because I don't feel pretty. But many people can't feel that energy, and that's good. But I don't feel pretty. Like, I don't be feeling pretty. I be so like, ugh. Like, I don't feel pretty at all. Like, at all. The lash clusters are by Airy Cute, and it feels like you have nothing on your lash. Like, it just feels so comfortable. Y'all see Sky in the back. If y'all didn't know, I have a cat. Don't mind a little mess in the back. But yeah, these are the lashes. Very cute. I'm gonna put the style of these lash clusters on the screen. I feel so pretty now. I did my eyebrows. I'm just so gorgeous. Like, come on. So tomorrow I'm getting my nails done. I want a French, but the thing is, say hi. Oh, girl, you heavy. And your breath smell like butt. Say hi. Just go away. Tomorrow's nail day. I want to get a French. But I'm going to 2 different places. Like, I'm going to my nail tech to get my phalanges done. Then I'm going to the chop shop to get my toes done because my nail tech. Get the fuck. Get over here. Get over here. It's like you almost went down the stairs. Something illegal. My sister says every time, like she's scratching at her scratch post, my sister said every time she does that, it means that she's pissed or something. I don't care. I'm going to 2 different places. Nail tech does my hands, and then I go to the shop to get my toes done. I'm going to go early to get my toes done. My toes look, yo. I made it a thing to make sure that I get my toes done, like, every month because I don't want my toes looking fucked up. Like, I really don't. But if I, like, get a French, I'm going to want to get a French on my toes, but it's not going to match. But then who gives a fuck? Who gives a fuck? So, I don't know what to do on my nails. Like, I want to get, like, a simple French because I don't really want to do the designs and stuff like that. I'm, like, at a point where I'm tired of all these designs. Like, it's just the same thing every time. And I'm just over it. Like, everybody's doing the same thing to their nails, and I just want something simple. Something simple, classy, cute, not too much going on. Like, you know. Oh, shit. Good morning. It's like 9:20 something. I was gonna get in the shower and shit like that, but we just gonna go as is. Because, yeah, we're just gonna shower when I get back. So yeah. I was supposed to get up at like 8. I'm all over the place. My breath stink. Where's my glasses? We about to be on the way. Get these. Yeah, I don't know why every time I go to the chop shop and like they be doing like my nails or whatever, I be staring at them hard as hell just to make sure they doing everything right, because I will speak up. But yeah, like I was hard body watching them. Like I wanted them to feel that I was watching them, that I meant business, okay? Because you're not gonna mess up my toes. The last time I went to this nail salon, I got a black French. I did not like that black French. Like, it was just so, no, absolutely not. Like, it was not cute. I always get a white French on my toes. I could have got like a solid color, like a white toe type situation, but I'm like, I don't want to do that. I love how French looks on my fat feet, my fat piggly wigglies. But I'm only doing this voiceover because they had, I think, music playing in the back or TV playing in the back. It was just, yeah. So. Okay, so I am done at the chop shop. I will show y'all my toes, but I don't know if they ashy or not. Hold on. Okay, so these are the toes. I got some like fat ass feet. Yeah, those are the toes. French tips. Say good morning. She's so fake. Hey. She's smelling my toes. It's like she knows. All I feel is like wetness. Well, she's not licking my toes, but her nose is probably like wet. I look a mess. I'm about to smoke real quick, I ain't gonna lie. But I'm glad my toes are done. Because they were screaming for help. Like, literally, like, when I got up this morning, my pinky toe, like, both of my pinky toenails were, like, hurting. Because I haven't got my nails done since, like, April. And I made a promise to myself that I would get my nails done every month. But, you know, life be lifing. So, yeah. Starts that aggressive love shit. Girl, you want your butt all in the camera.
I felt when he left me.
Okay, so I just got done with my nail appointment. My nail appointment was at 3 o'clock. She was running late, so we didn't get started till like 3:30 something, but it's real quick. These are the nails, so pretty. I got cat eye. I like how I said I was gonna get like a mauve white French, but I'm like, nah, I'm just gonna get something simple. Very pretty. My hands feel hella ashy.
I want to go to the Friendlies at Rehoboth Beach, though, by Rehoboth Beach, because they have.
Why I get in the lift, right? Why I get in the lift, right? This is what makes me like get uncomfortable or get like set up. Like when the Uber driver got someone else in the car. Like, why do you have someone else in the car? Like, that's just weird to me. Like, I can see if you're like dashing or something, but like, I don't know, it just gets set up. I know this ain't all the damn handles they got. Thank you. A little more bigger, so I'm gonna just get these 2 packs of those. Okay, back home. Got the groceries. I'm gonna cook that tomorrow. Hey, yeah, hi. Every time I come home from every time I come back from being gone for like a cute little minute, she really shows that she misses me. I appreciate that. I was about to say, I hope her butthole's not in the camera. But I'm hungry. I really said, oh, I'm gonna cook after work tomorrow. I'm definitely gonna film that. I haven't cooked shrimp Alfredo in like a minute. But it's so easy. Like, of course, first deep thaw the shrimp, let them thaw for a cute little minute. Then, because I can cook the shrimp and the noodles at the same time. And then with the season, how I seasoned my shrimp when I was making it, like the last time, I didn't use a lot of seasonings, but I feel like you have to use a lot of seasonings so the shrimp can pop. All I used back then was like garlic and I think adobo and slap your mama. I was using all types of shit, but the shrimp still tastes good. I feel like whatever you use on the shrimp, you're not gonna taste it for real. Like, especially with the Alfredo, it's just a lot going on, so it really don't matter. But yeah, but that is the end of today's vlog. Hopefully y'all had a cute little time with me. But until next time, children. Bye.